Hey, Ressio users. Today we're going to quickly go over the calendar view. And how you get there is you obviously have to go into your project and then go to calendar over here on the left-hand side. This will pull up your calendar. You can see the month of November here. This is highlighted for Thursday the 6th. Up in the top right-hand corner over here, you can add an event. And when you do that, you'll be able to add details, start date, end date, and all this important information. You can even add colors to signify something specific. You can also add checklists here, which is really nice. Something else that you can do is you can come over here to the print button and print that out if you would like. As well as over here in the top left-hand corner, you can change the month. But really simple, pretty straightforward. You can click into each of these events, see how, just hovering over, you can see the progress, how late. Again, same thing with tasks. You can see if the tasks have been started, and you can also have invoices on here. So every important date that is in your schedule, you will also find on your calendar. Hope this is helpful. Any questions, please reach out to your customer success coach.